Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we are in Santa Maria, California at the Atlas Copco Mafi-Trench plant. Part of Atlas Copco's gas and process business, this place is home to the world market leader for turbo expander innovations. Turbo expanders are used in many industries worldwide, such as natural gas processing, petrochemicals, or renewable energies. With more than 45 years of experience, the team in California handles design, production, testing, and field support, all in-house and under one roof. From standard to fully customized solutions, customers trust Atlas Copco's proven and reliable machinery to handle their most challenging operations. In serving its customers, Atlas Copco is no stranger to pressure, budget pressure, time pressure, performance pressure. Pressure challenges the Atlas Copco gas and process team, pushing them to develop better turbo expanders. This machinery expands the high-pressure feed gas to lower pressure, providing refrigeration and green, zero-emissions power. The power that's produced then drives a compressor or electrical generator. Atlas Copco Mafi-Trench manufactures products with minimum environmental impact, and that has shaped the company's strong track record. Its turbo expanders are operating in process plants and power productions worldwide. Green energies like waste to heat to power or geothermal are other areas in which Atlas Copco brings new ideas to customers using the no-emission closed-cycle process. And the team always has its eyes set on future markets such as hydrogen, energy storage, or other applications where efficient, safe, and reliable turbo expander solutions can contribute to a sustainable tomorrow. Create positive pressure for yourself at atlascopco.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.